Thank you for joining us for another video about intellectual property law and specifically trademark filings for private label sellers. And the whole curve of Amazon right now has become brand centric and for sellers to develop their own private label brands, which means getting their trademarks, which means getting their logos trademarked, their name trademarked. And what we're going to be talking about today are the differences between a 1A classification for a trademark and a 1B classification. This is RJ Cherpak, who is an extremely bright, talented young lawyer. He just graduated from the Hofstra University School of Law. We are making him an offer and keeping him forever. And he's taken the bar and is undoubted that he's going to pass. I mean, just 100% going to pass. So RJ, let's get into it. What is a trademark application 1A versus 1B?
Yes, so a 1A basis for your trademark application just means actual use, which means you're currently using the mark that you're applying for in commerce.
Okay, that's 1A. You're using it, you have products, you have packaging, you can send in what's called a specimen, which is just a fancy word for an example of your trademark, and you apply for it, and as long as it's not just your last name or it's not overly descriptive, your application should be granted. What is a 1B classification?
A 1B is when you have intent to use the application in the mark in commerce, but you haven't actually started using the mark yet.
Okay, the trademark applications are generally geared towards people and businesses who are using their marks in business. If you're not yet using it, if you're in the developmental stage, or you want to just make sure you have it so nobody else can take it, then you'd file under 1B, and that's an intention to use. The application is just slightly different, and if there are private label sellers out there, or any sellers at all who are developing their own brands, and you want assistance, call us here, 1-8779-SELLERS. You can ask for me, you can ask for RJ, we can help you do the application yourself, or we can also do it for you if you like. RJ, I love that we're doing these videos together. He knows his stuff, and wish him luck on that bar exam.